Hello and welcome to step 11. We open our file. In this step, we are going to edit our view range, place a plan region, and edit our dimensions. But first of all, we'll show you a trick how to use the line work tool. We switch in our level 5. Here we have the underlay of our sunscreen activated. We want to draw a line work to view the boundaries of our sunscreen. We switch in our modify tab. Select here line work. We select here overhead. We select the borders of the sunscreen. Now we can deactivate our underlay in our properties palette. The line work is now directly attached to our geometry. So if we move, for example, the column, the whole sunscreen and the line work changes. We use the Ctrl-Z shortcut to reset that. Now we switch in our level 6. We close all open views. We also open the north view. We use the WT shortcut, the ZA shortcut to see both windows. Generally, floor plans are cut at the height of 1.2 meters. To edit that view range, we switch in our properties palette and select here view range, edit. Here we see that our cut plane is at the moment at 1.2 meters. Really important to know is in that menu, the cut plane and the level are the two most important settings in this menu. Here we want to view our sunscreen in the level 6 view. So we change the offset to minus 0.5 meters. Now we can see our sunscreen. On the left hand side we see that also our roof is cut. We want to create the top view. Therefore we also click on view range. And we change here the cut plane to 5 meters. If we now click on apply, we get a notice that the clip plane is below the cut plane. We have to change that. Now we also put in here 5 and we have perfectly generated our top view here. Now we want to create a plan region. We close level 6 and we open level 3. Use the WT shortcut to see both at the same time. If we zoom in our north view and in our level 3 plan, we see that at the moment that window is not shown in our plan because the cut plane is below the window. We don't want to change the cut plane, but we also want to see our window, so therefore we are going to create a plan region. We switch in our view tab, select here plan views, plan region. We draw a rectangle over here. We switch to our properties palette, click here edit, and we change the cut plane to 1.5 meters. Okay. Now we click on OK, and our window is now shown in that plan. We want to hide this dashed line. We select it, and we use the EH shortcut to hide it. Last but not least, we're going to show you how to edit dimensions. If we zoom in over here, we see that at the moment our dimensions are transparent. We want to set them to opaque. We switch in our properties palette, click here on edit type, and select here text background opaque, and click on apply and OK. The background has changed. Now we are going to place some dimensions. We double click on a value, and here we can click on replace text. And now we have to type in here a symbol. And we put in here 4.7 meters and we click on apply, and now this value has changed. The reason why we have to add a symbol when we override values is because that's an automatic security mechanism that you always know which values you have changed. Really important to know is that values which have been changed are not parametric at all anymore. So that's it for step 11, and we'll be back at step 12.